Hey everyone, so are you getting a Workspace login error in Slack? Maybe you enter your email, try to sign in, and Slack says it can't find your workspace or the login fails. That can be pretty frustrating, especially when you need quick access to your team chats. In this video, I'll show you several ways to fix the Slack Workspace login error in 2026, and most of these fixes are quick and easy. First, make sure you're entering the correct workspace URL. Slack workspaces usually have a unique address, so even a small typo can cause a login error. If you don't remember your workspace address, use Slack's Find Your Workspace option. Just enter your email address, and Slack will send you a list of workspaces connected to that email. Next, check your internet connection. If your connection is unstable, Slack may fail to complete the login process. If you're logging in through a browser, try clearing your cache and cookies. Old browser data can sometimes interfere with Slack's login system. If the problem continues, try logging in using a different browser or device. This helps determine if the issue is related to your current browser. If your login still fails, try resetting your Slack password. Sometimes account authentication errors can prevent you from accessing your workspace. Finally, check Slack's server status. If Slack services are experiencing outages, login attempts may temporarily fail. And that's it. Most Slack workspace login errors can be fixed by checking your workspace URL, clearing browser data, or resetting your password. If this guide helped you, feel free to explore more quick troubleshooting tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.